The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Remove the two stoppers in the glove box. Unscrew the stops to the left and pull straight out to remove them. Lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1295 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the stoppers by matching the shape and then rotating clockwise. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.